Hey everybody, Chet Mann with Team Chet Mortgage at CMG Financial, and I'm here with my teammate Amanda Stevens, and there's been some really significant changes in the last few days regarding student loans. And Amanda, FHA has just come out with some pretty earth-breaking new rules that are really going to help people. And I think it was an effort by the Biden administration to kind of erase some inequalities with African American citizens and also first-time home buyers as to how we have to look at student loan debt when we qualify you for a mortgage. And Amanda, you've always been our guideline guru. Tell us a little bit about those changes and
when
how
I saw it come out, it came out. It was announced Friday, but I wasn't paying attention Friday. I saw it on Saturday. I was like, "This is a game changer. This is awesome." Previously, we had to hit everyone with a student loan on FHA with a 1%, and that can be dramatic, whether it's a $5,000 loan or $100,000.
We had to count 1% of that loan amount in your monthly payment.
So again, if you have an $80,000 student loan, or even they accumulate in total that much, we're hitting you with an $800 payment, which is pretty close to a house payment almost for some people. So that was put people dead in the water, not able to qualify, or it really limited their qualifications because there were no really waivers around that with FHA.
So what went in effect as of Saturday?
So on Saturday, we were, I found out that now we can actually, it changes to 3 different ways. It can actually be the amount reported on your credit report. So if it's $15, that's it. They don't care what the balance is, but if that's the amount reported, that's what we qualify the monthly payment on. The other option is to, if you're on what's called an income-based repayment plan, basically they'll say, great, you went to school, but maybe your income's not as high enough to pay all of that off. They might have you at a $0 a month income-based repayment plan. So then that's what we get to count for that monthly payment. Then the third option is if none of those fall into those categories, we just hit you with a half of 1%. So it's half of what it was before, which again, going from an $800 based off $80,000 to $400 is a huge changer, and can open the door for even just someone to get approved in general or increase their purchasing power. Maybe now they can borrow another $50,000 in-house.
So that's really significant. So we can use the better of the 3 options. And in the past, we didn't have those kind of flexibility with FHA loans. And FHA is still considered and still is one of the best options for many, many people, especially first-time home buyers, because the down payment requirement is so low. Yeah. But we had many customers in the past that maybe didn't qualify because of their student loan debt was too crushing to them early in their lives, in their adult lives, to qualify. So now, based on your interpretation, we've got options that we didn't have before. So what we would tell you is, if you're a customer who's trying to qualify for a home and you have student loan debt, your situation may have dramatically improved. And if you're a realtor and you've had clients that maybe couldn't qualify because of this in the past, you ought to call them, contact them. We'll do the same to see if we can get them back in the pipeline.
We'll review their whole application. We can change it. I updated one yesterday. They went from a 53% debt to income ratio to 44%.
Which is almost huge. Slam dunk approval for somebody that has other good compensating factors. So Amanda, we're excited, right?
I'm very excited. First-time home buyers are we don't have any favorite clients, but they are one of my favorites to work with because they're very genuinely excited, especially if it is a first-generation home-time buyer. I'm the sappy one in the office. I almost want to cry when they get to closing and they're so thankful. But that's our goal, is putting people in houses.
Yeah, and we want to treat customers for life and have them for life. So our mission here is serving families and building dreams. This new FHA law with the student loan repayment is a big game changer. Thanks, Amanda, for giving us the update.
Anytime.
This is Chet Mann, Amanda Stevens, Team Chet Mortgage at CMG Financial. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.